What's wrong with you? You coming over too, are you? Do you want to get up this bed? Ah, here you go, now. You alright? Oh, you like that, don't you? Do you like that, do you? What? What? Oh, he likes that. You like that too? Do you like that as well, yeah? Oh, what's wrong with you? Oh, he likes that, look. Yeah. Oh, is that nice? What? You were just fed.
I really don't want to do that.
What's who's coming to me? What's wrong with you? Come on. Come on. Come on.
What you are suffering from is a straightforward phobia.
What? What?
Which is the fear of being sick.
What's wrong with you?
And indeed seeing other people vomit. I'm amazed you never googled your symptoms.